Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will continue our Aptos playlist with yet another amazing opportunity. We'll have a look at Souffl3 NFT marketplace and claim some free NFTs. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And you can also check out our Aptos playlist from the cards. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So Souffl3 is an Aptos NFT marketplace and it's currently on beta. We'll have a look and claim our free NFTs. We will use Martian Wallet to connect. If you don't have a Martian Wallet, you can check out our Aptos Wallets video from the cards to set up your Martian Wallet. I also showed you guys how you can set up your future Aptos Wallet in that video. So choice is yours, but today we will use Martian. So let's click on Connect and approve this transaction from our wallet. So as you can see now, my wallet is connected to the Souffl3 website. After connecting our wallet, you can see there's this mystery box icon. When you click on it, you can see that we can mint free Souffl3 Dev NFTs. Now I minted 2 of those just to try if that was working. Now let's mint the rest and we will have 5 NFTs for free in total. Just click on this and approve the transaction on your wallet. But before we do that, if you don't have any Aptos testnet tokens on your wallet, click on Aptos Faucet, and every time you click on it, it gives you 20,000 Aptos. So let's check our wallet. As you can see, I have 60,000 because I approximately clicked on the button 3 times, so it gave me 60,000. And after transaction fees, that's how much it was left. So let's just keep minting our free NFTs. There are 2 left. Click on it and approve the transaction. And let's mint the last NFT. Click on it and approve the transaction. So as you can see, we minted all of our NFTs. As I said, you can claim your free Aptos Faucet to pay for the transaction fees. Every time you click on this, it gives you 20,000 Aptos. You can use these Faucet tokens to buy some NFTs on the marketplace, but because it's on the testnet right now, every NFT has a floor price of these amazing amounts. You can see that 200 million, we can see that 3 billion. As I said, just because all of these are test collections, probably all of them was created by our Souffl3 developer team and just trying their system. And you can also check out our Aptos name service video from the cards, and you can see there's a collection, Aptos names, and it has a floor price of 1 million Aptos Faucet tokens. Now, if you couldn't buy the name you want because it was already taken, you can try your luck to buy the name you want from here. As you can see, the floor price is 1 million. Now let's have a look at the names. We can see the 24-hour volume and we can see all the items that are on sale right now, their prices. These icons means all of these items are on sale on Souffl3 NFT marketplace. But there's one orange icon. If I can see, I will show you, but I couldn't see. If you see an orange icon, that means it's on sale on Topaz NFT marketplace. We will be sharing new videos about that marketplace too. So make sure to tune in and subscribe to our channel. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. As you can see, there are not so many things we can do on Souffl3 NFT marketplace right now because, as I said, it's on the test phase. But we got our free 5 NFTs and that's all that matters. Definitely check out our Aptos playlist for more free NFTs and other airdrop opportunities. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very funny crypto memes, important information, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So I definitely suggest you to check out our Instagram and other socials from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.